In this video, we will explain how to set up the John Deere TerrainCommand Pro system. To start, when on the main page, select Job Settings and then select Boom Control. The first setting to look at is the Boom Control target. You have three possibilities: soil, crop, and hybrid. In soil, the system controls the height from the spray nozzle to the ground. Soil mode is commonly used in pre-emerge applications when there are no crops. In hybrid mode, we have a combination of both soil and crop reading. Hybrid mode is advised to be used when crop starts growing in the field. This mode uses the reading of the soil as well as the top of the crop to control the height and is furthermore more directly reacting on smaller spots with reduced crop height. In crop mode, the height is controlled from the spray nozzle to the top of the crop only. Use the crop mode when hybrid mode is losing good performance. This is probably only in very dense and/or tall crop conditions where hybrid mode cannot detect the soil anymore. In boom control mode, you have the choice between roll and roll plus height. When choosing roll, the center frame height is not controlled. In roll plus height, the center frame height is controlled. Roll plus height is the default mode which can be used in most conditions. Choosing roll could be useful when spraying tall crops. The crop between the tramline tracks might be lower than the rest of the field. This would cause the center frame to be lower and the wings to raise, causing the boom to come into a V shape. Be careful when boom control mode is on roll. The center frame height control will be deactivated. Variable geometry and roll bias will still be active. The operator can manually control with the boom up-down button on the multifunction lever. Target height is where you define the height between the nozzle and target. The sensitivity can be adjusted from 1 to 10, with 5 being the default setting. A lower number will reduce the system sensitivity. A higher number will speed up the response but can make the boom very responsive. Sensitivity does not only influence the reaction speed but also the offset from target allowed. For boom control HMS, we have 4 different options. Raise and stop. The complete boom raises to the desired headland height. Target plus HMS extra. After reaching the headland height, the boom control is disabled until HMS is stopped. Raise and control. The complete boom raises to the desired headland height and boom guidance stays active as long as HMS is active. VG, raise and stop. Both boom wings will raise to the desired headland height. The center frame stays at target height for spraying. After reaching the desired height, the boom control is disabled until HMS is stopped. VG, raise and control. Both boom wings will raise to desired headland height. The center frame will stay at target height. Boom guidance will stay active as long as HMS is active. No roll functions is active in this mode. Boom control HMS extra height is to set how much the boom needs to raise when going into one of the HMS functions. Note: when the boom is in HMS mode, the 3 dots turn into orange. For side heel spraying, the option side heel is selected per default. This setting disables the center frame to follow the horizon and give maximum performance for the boom wings to follow the slope. In flat fields, this setting may result to undesired center frame rotation. To enable or disable this feature, you should go to the UC7 main screen. UC7 main screen, Settings, Next page, Next page, Options, Next page. For more detailed information, please refer to the operator's manual or contact your local John Deere dealer. Thank you for choosing John Deere.